Sorry, I'm dirty.
He's dangerous.
His little smirk.
비끄라.
Hi guys! Today we're going to react to Stray Kids' 소리꾼 Thunderous on Studio CHOOM. I was like, be original! Studio CHOOM. We love this song. Like, I fuck with this song.
And I love Studio CHOOM.
Yeah,
Like,
also that I'm extremely excited for this. I don't know about you, but I've
feeling 22.
yeah, I thought of that as well. I don't know about you, but I have seen their live performance, not on Studio CHOOM, but like on music shows, because I said in our reaction to the music video that I would run straight to the live shows.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what I did. So
I haven't watched anything except or I've seen small clips, but I haven't watched a full video of them performing it.
Oh.
The only performance I've seen is like the music video.
Okay. Yeah. So, but I love their live stage show, and I'm very excited for this as Studio CHOOM is always
Am I
amazing.
dumb? I've seen this, but it's small.
What?
It's in Weekly Idol, but he cut it, so I haven't seen the full. I've just remembered.
Studio CHOOM always does amazing videos,
Yeah.
so I'm extremely excited for this. Let's hop right into this. These outfits are, I don't know.
Oh, Chan.
His little strand, oh sorry, his little, there is like a red in his hair. I'm gonna talk about this because, like, I've listened to this song since we reacted to the music video. I love this song, and I have favorite parts of this song. Like, I just fuck with that. I love this part. It sounds like I'm in heaven here. Oh, it's so good.
I'm not sorry, I'm dirty.
Oh. This is, sorry. This is my favorite part. This. He also had a strand of red. I'm dirty.
He's dangerous. I don't know how they do that.
Is that
You have
supposed
to
to
have
be
good coordination. What is that called?
what?
Coordination? I don't know what it's called in English, but like literally you have to have a feel of like rhythm and like have a brain, basically.
Yeah, that's coordination, I think. Okay, but I just want to say, like, is this, was this a thing, this part? Is that like when you had the knife and you did that, right?
Oh, don't even bring that shit up. Ew, I hated that.
You know what I mean?
We all tried it, though.
Yeah, this just reminds me of that. What's that called, even?
I don't know.
I love this part.
I love the outfits.
His little smirk! No, look at him. No.
How is Felix's hat still on there?
I don't know. Pick it up.
Honestly,
Pick it up.
honestly,
Honestly.
have you seen them on Weekly Idol?
Yeah. Yeah.
When Ian was like, Wano! I don't know.
yeah.
I love when he
Yeah.
speaks in dialect. Like,
Satori.
I'm like
Yeah, I know.
Satori, boo, especially Ian. Like, I don't know. Like, can
It's
he
something
speak
with
only
him.
speak in Satori, please?
He's
Because
so
here's
cute.
also Satori. Pikura.
I just get sorry. We're pausing too much. I just gotta say here, I love how in every live show, you have not seen this because you haven't seen
Yeah.
it, but Changbin is saying something before Lino's part every time. Like Lino Hyung, he said one time he was like,
Okay, so it differs.
handsome. Yeah, he says something every time, which is like
Ad-libs.
fun. Yeah, because and fans always like, what's he gonna say next?
Yeah. I don't know how Hyunjin does that.
What?
Look at him. Oh, sorry. Look,
Yeah, my knees could
would
never.
pop and I would break my legs.
Sorry, I'm
dirty.
I love this part, but I also feel bad for their backs. Not sorry, I'm dirty. Play about the rules.
I love this poster band.
Yeah.
So good. I love his freckles! I remember when they just debuted and it was like a fan on a fan sign. Do you remember that? And I don't remember exactly what she said, but it's like, I don't see your freckles, I can't see your freckles. And he literally removed his makeup.
He
to, like,
went out of his way.
He went, bitch, I like my freckles too. Mm-hmm. As he should. A king.
I love that. Like I'm in love, honestly. I feel like they're amazing performers as always. Like what's new, but also like how I don't know. Like they're doing their own thing, and I
Yeah.
fuck with that.
I love them so much, and I love this song so much. I mean, I kind of have like, you know how we said in the music video that it's like, what can't they do? They always deliver everything. Like this song is not. I'm not gonna get tired of it.
Yeah, I feel like that.
And I'm like, ugh. And now I've watched because this Studio CHOOM, as we said, always deliver amazing videos.
Mm-hmm.
So I love watching when groups and people perform there because it's literally so good. Like the quality and like I don't know how you say some because I feel like sometimes when they're on like different like it's not as good, you know, how they film and like stuff. But I love this so much, and I love that it's also I've said this in another Studio CHOOM reaction we did to another artist that the background changes as well. It's
Yeah.
like a whole performance, and it's like, you know, the production in this is so good, even though it's so simple. It's literally in a studio.
yeah,
Yeah.
CHOOM. No, but yeah, I totally agree. Thank you guys so much for watching our reaction. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reactions. Bye bye!